Career awareness. Looking for a career, a new career, or even just rewarding employment? Consider the collision repair trade. You'll never be replaced by a computer or outsourcing. Honestly, the auto body shop of yesterday was not the ideal environment for many. The auto body shop of today presents a much cleaner, safer work environment. No, it's not for everyone, and like any trade, you'll find good and bad examples. However, if you enjoy working with your hands and the visual rewards of your efforts, it may be worth considering. The modern repair shop contains a diverse group of opportunities. If you like making things shiny and new, a refinish technician may have your interest. Enjoy taking things apart and putting back together? Super! Ding and dent repair present a great place for those needing a quick visual reward. Computers and techie stuff your bag? Nice! The automobile of today is a rolling box of technology, and that increases every day. A dramatic shift from fossil fuels to electric is well underway, creating a very exciting time to enter the automotive trade. Not so much of a hands-on type? Cars don't have your interest? That's okay. Excellent opportunities still exist in supporting roles of estimating, job planners, production management, parts sourcing, auto detailing, computer scanning, calibration, and more. Many Wisconsin technical schools offer 1- and 2-year degrees to kickstart your career. Scholarships are available from our many great sponsors. Not so excited about schooling? That's fine. Like many trades, hands-on training while getting paid is often available. Visit your local collision repair facility and ask for a tour. Many shops have developed their very own entry-level programs that will open the door to a rewarding career. Many in this trade have started washing cars and with ambition and self-motivation are now earning wages from $50,000 to $90,000 a year with no student debt. The industry is in a great need now, and consultants are available at 262-542-7707. This message is brought to you by the Wisconsin Collision Repair Professionals.